Welcome back. In previous sessions, we have discussed about the select queries, and we have executed a lot of hands-on queries as part of this discussion. In this particular session, let's go and discuss about the summary of the work that we did in the previous sessions. So it's a select statements can be used to read records from the tables, call functions, to call stored procedures or other items. So in MySQL, select statement doesn't require the from class or the where class. We have looked into that where we can directly call the functions without using the from class. So when you are using a table columns, you can also assign alias name for the table columns if it is required. When you want to sort the results by one or more columns, you can always use order by. So by default, order by query provides the ascending order. If you want to uh, fetch the results with the descending order, you can always use the DESC descending keyword next to the column that you are sorting. Or if you want to go for ascending order, you can also always use the ASC keyword. The order by clause is evaluated after the from and select clauses. So it's always whenever you say uh, uh, the order of executing the commands, the clauses. So order by will go right after the from and select. So in MySQL, null is always lower than null values, and you can use the where class to filter rows by any condition that you can use. So MySQL evaluates the where class after the from class and before the select and order by clauses. So if you go with the order of executing, if you have a SQL query where you have select star from employee where employee ID is 1. So in kind of that in such case, so the first the execution that will start from and then it will have the select, then uh, no the first it will have the from class and then you'll have the where class, and before after that you'll have the select as well as the order by clauses. So you can use the distinct class to remove duplicate rows from the results, and uh, and you can also use the AND operator to combine the two Boolean expressions. uh, AND operator returns when the both expressions are true, otherwise it returns false. You can use the AND operator to form conditions in the where class of the select statement. The OR operator combines the two Boolean expressions and returns true when their expressions are true, otherwise it returns false. So MySQL evaluates the OR operator after AND operator if you have an expression contains both and operators. If that mean to say, like if you have a condition which has both and or operators, so or operator will be uh, executed second, and after the and operator executed. If you want to change the order of evolution, you can always use the parenthesis in the query. So if you want, you can use the in operator to check the value is to check if a value is in set of values. So and you can use the in operator for the condition for the where class. So you can use the not in to check if value doesn't match in any value in a list, and you can also use the between operator to test if a value falls within the range of values. You can use the like operator to test if the value matches a pattern. Percentile can be always used to wildcard matches. Percentile takes care of 0 or more characters, and underscore is the wildcard matches for a single character. Use escape class to specify an escape character rather than default escape character. use not operator to negate the like operator. So probably when you are using in a query like so and so, you can always use not like also. So that's where the not operator will be used. So you have a limit clause, so which will limit the rows written by the select statement, and you also have is null operator to test if the value is null or not. So if the value is null, it will return true. If the value is not null, it will return false for you. So these are the different operators that we have discussed, where you have equal to, you can always use when you are want to utilize for not equals to, you can always use greater than less than symbol or not equal to symbol that you have. And you also have a less than operator and you have a greater than operator, you can always use in case of your SQL queries. And you can also have the less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. These are also can be used for your operations.